Another day, another vlog. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Violet and I'm back with another video. So today I made the laundry and I decided to show you how to clean a washing machine. So today I'll be cleaning was it the washing machine filter? I don't know if that is correct. So let me show you guys how the washing machine looks. So it's a bit windy, so the dust, you see. So the washing machine is dirty, so don't come for me, guys. Please don't come for me. So the washing machines are a bit dirty, so I'm going to show you how to clean the washing machine inside and out. As you can see, guys, you can see it's a bit dirty. So I'll be cleaning my washing machine, showing you how I clean my washing machine. So stay tuned as I wash my washing machine. Hey, wash it. Yeah. So you see, guys, this is how the washing machine looks. So this one, it was washing yesterday before the power went. So the power went off, so it still has water inside. It was washing. So now I'm going to show you how to remove what? How do you say it in English? Yeah, Jesus. I don't know. I'm going to show you how to remove water from the washing machine. So I'm going to show you how to empty the washing machine when there is no power. So don't be stressed. So guys, as you saw, that washing machine has water inside. So when the power went off, it was washing. So we just took out the clothes, and now I'm going to show you how to empty the washing machine. You see? So one thing, guys, one advice: when the power goes off and you were busy washing, let's say you had a load, you were washing a load, then the power goes off, please remove the clothes from the washing machine, because you can't leave the washing machine with clothes for a long time. It will be heavy on the washing machine and it will kill your washing machine. Is it kill, matter, whatever? So don't leave clothes in the washing machine. Yes. So to clean my washing machine, I have this 5 liter bottle that I cut into half. I hope you can see that I cut into half. So I'm going to use this bottle to empty the washing machine. So let's do it. So guys, this is how I'm going to empty my washing machine. So I'm going to take this 5 liter bottle. Yes, and I put it here. Then I open this filter. I don't know what's the name of this thing, but I hear other people saying it's a filter. I don't know, but yeah, I'm going to open this thing. Yo, and you see, the water starts coming out. Let me show you. You see, the water is coming out. Yes. So when it's full, I close. So let's do this process. So guys, I'm done emptying the washing machine. So you see, guys, why I was saying you must not leave water in the washing machine. You see, There's, there will be rust and molds. So please make sure you don't leave water in the washing machine. So now I'm done emptying the washing machine, guys. So since there is no power, and you can't just empty your washing machine and leave it just like that. So you have to put clean water to just clean off that dirt that was in the washing machine. You can just take your clean water and put vinegar, then you clean if there is no power. But if there is power, you can just run a run a wash without anything in the washing machine, then it cleans itself. You just put vinegar and baking soda. Is it baking soda or is it soda? And put soda, then it runs a wash, then your washing machine will be clean. So since there is no power today, let me show you how to do it. So this is what I removed, so I will just put it back. If you want, you can just put it back. If you don't want, just leave it. So you take your 5 liter thing, 5 liter bottle. Then you just pour some water in the washing machine. Then it just starts, the water comes out, and the water will be dirty. So you see, the water is dirty, and it just came from the washing machine. So you see, oh, the washing machine will be dirty. So this is where the water will be coming out. So you see, guys, it's dirty inside. So sometimes you just need to clean it. So I have to clean this thing. So you see, guys, when I say don't leave water in the washing machine, this is what I mean. You see, guys, here there is mold and the rubber is dirty. So make sure you clean here, guys. You clean. This is one of the things that makes your clothes hair stink. So you see, there will be money sometimes inside, or you see just some dirty things that the washing machine can't, what do you call it, the washing machine can't take out of the washing machine. So you have to clean this. So clean it with me. So you see, this is the dirt that comes out of the washing machine. So always make sure you clean the washing machine. You see, always make sure that you clean your washing machine. You see the dirt. So you have to wash this thing because it will be dirty. So wash this thing. This is after washing the washing machine. You see? It's clean. It's clean. Thank you guys for watching.